Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. One of my favorite simple desserts is a trifle. A trifle is a perfect dessert to make any time of the year. In fall, you can make a pumpkin trifle or a gingerbread trifle during the holidays. And for spring or summer, a berry trifle, which is my favorite. Today, we're gonna make a blueberry and strawberry trifle. Since I love to use pound cake as one of my components in my trifle, I'm gonna show you how to make a great simple pound cake as well. Delicious. Let's start with the pound cake. Set oven to 350. Add 2 sticks of butter and a cup of sugar. Mixy, mix, 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 mix. Add 1 egg. Boop. Mix it up. Add the second egg. Boop. Mix, 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 mix. Add the third egg. Mix it up. Add the fourth egg. Boop. Mixy, mix, 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 mix. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Bloop. Mix it up. Add a half a teaspoon of salt. Bloop. While your mixer is on low, slowly add the 2 cups of flour. Mix, mix the flour really slowly. Scrape, 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 scrape. Butter and flour your loaf pan. Pour your batter into your pan. Bake for about 50 minutes to an hour. Fun fact, a pound cake was called a pound cake because it was originally made with a pound of each of the 4 ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. The more you know. Look at this perfect pound cake. Smells amazing. We gotta cut it up to build the trifle. But first, let's make some whipped cream. Whip up a cup of heavy whipping cream until it gets frothy. Once frothy, add a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. Whip it up until stiff peaks form. Whipped cream. Hi. Oops. Let's get back to the trifle. Coffee? Slice up 1 container of strawberries. Slicey up those strawberries. You can leave some of the strawberries whole to decorate. Cut up the pound cake into cubes. Squeeze out the juice of 3 lemons. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Toss the pound cake cubes with the lemon juice. It's trifle building time. Ba-doop, boop, 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 boop. First start with a layer of pound cake. Then add a layer of whipped cream. I like to stand 1 row of strawberries against the glass so you can see them as a layer. Then fill the middle with just the cut strawberries. Next is the blueberry layer, followed by another layer of pound cake, and finally the last layer of whipped cream. Decorate the top of the trifle any way you like. Feel free to be creative. Trifle is done. Look how pretty it is. It's the perfect refreshing dessert for spring or summer. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking and trifle making.